Hi, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. I'd like to welcome you to the showroom. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 1971 J-Code Torino. That's right, 429, 4-speed, shaker hood. This thing is rotisserie restored and it is ready to go. If you've caught us on eBay and you're looking for the pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. All the prices for our cars are there on our website, and it's also the reserve price on eBay, so it's the exact same price. Or you can just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'd love to talk to you about the cars. Here at Vanguard, we've got over 30,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 120 muscle cars for sale. We buy about 35 cars a month, so the inventory changes quite often. If you like us on Facebook, you'll get a notification the minute we buy a car. That's one of the first things we do when we buy a car. We post it on Facebook to let everybody know. We actually sell a lot of cars that way. Also, like us on your, or make us one of your favorites on your computer too, because you need to check us out often. We've always got something cool going on here. One of the things that people always ask is, where do you get all these cool muscle cars? Well, we get them from customers like you. People call us when they've got cars for sale, when they want to trade cars, and also when they find cars for sale. If you've got a friend who has a car for sale and it's a high quality muscle car, give us a call with that phone number, and if I buy that car, we'll pay you $200. We encourage you to come visit us here at Vanguard. If you're from out of town, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can send somebody down to the airport, pick you up. It's only about a 20-minute ride. We're right here in Plymouth, Michigan, and you can come out and check out all these cars. After buying thousands of cars and talking to thousands of people about them buying cars, we've developed 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. You can go to our website and check it out and download it free. Check it out, it's some good information. All right, we're out here with my new favorite car. I know you guys that watch these videos all the time love it when I say that, but I tell you, this was a fine J-Code Torino, 1971, cool green, shaker hood, 429 under the hood, 4-speed shifter back there between the bucket seats. I love it. Hey, if you want to see about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put this baby up on the left. We're going to show you it's painted green underneath. Inside, the door jambs are beautiful. Under the hood's beautiful. Nothing about this car isn't beautiful. So go to our website and check it out. Come on up, let's take a look. All right, right up here, the front, take a look. There's the Cobra right there. And hey, I don't know if I told you guys the website when you want to take a look at the pictures. Go to our website. It's at vanguardmotorsales.com. All right, back to the video. We got beautiful trim rings around the headlights. Front bumper's gorgeous. The bumper guards here look great. The paint job on this thing is just sparkling in the sun. I can't get enough of this paint. The blacked out hood with the shaker. Cool, cool car. Look at that metallic. I tell you, you guys that know cars know when you spray metallic, you better be good. And this guy was good. This metallic is laid down on here perfect. It's got the good looking magnums on the wheels. The wheel lip moldings are gorgeous. The door handles, the chrome on the windows. Take a look at those doors. Those doors are never hurt. The rubbers look good, the handles look good, the mechanism looks great. We'll get in here and get the keys, we'll get in the trunk. Of course, we got a Cobra on the back here too. Back bumper looks great. They got the license plate back bracket for the front if you want that. Take a look at these trunk floors. Boom, look at that. Now we're gonna get the camera right down in here and look way up in the wheel well there. Look how nice and clean and beautiful that is up in there. This car is gorgeous, if I haven't mentioned that yet. Got the wide oval tire. Look at the finish on the bottom side of the deck lid. They even carried the black stripe right down into here. Shuts down nice. Look down that side. The passenger door almost disappears into the quarter panel, nice and flush. The gap looks good. Look at that chrome. Beautiful. Look at that door. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. We spend the time, we check these cars out before we buy them, and then when we get them back here to the shop, we check them out even further. We've got a 130-point inspection sheet we go through, so when you call Tom at 248-974-9513, he can grab that sheet, take a look, and answer any question about the car that you may have. If you want a close-up picture of anything, feel free to call Tom. We'll get you close-ups of any spot on the car. Just give us a call. Let's get in the interior. All right, look at the door panel. She looks brand new. And this is something you just don't see on very many 1971 muscle cars. Electric windows. Isn't that cool? Now we're gonna get right up in the door jamb there. Take a look up in there. You ever seen one look so beautiful? It looks like brand new in there, doesn't it? Very cool. Got the bucket seats, the console, the 4-speed shifter, the seat belts are here. The back seat looks beautiful. All the trim around the back looks good. The louvered window in the back is cool. I mean, look at there. Look at the light in the back of the console's even working. Check that out. Just something you don't see in one of these old muscle cars. Dash pad's gorgeous. The dash is gorgeous. We'll talk about all the gauges in that when we're driving it. All right, we're underneath this Torino now, and it's badass under here too. Got a new tank, new lines, new exhaust. Look at that Ford part number on the exhaust tips. Look at those drop downs. Everything's brand new. It looks gorgeous. The frame is gorgeous. Look at the paint job on the rear end housing. We got all the chalk marks. Looks like it's got new lines on it. Them there brake lines there. We've got air shocks added to the car. You can see all the primer. They've got the paint overspray. The springs look like they were rebuilt. It's beautiful under here. It's got the stock appearing exhaust. Looks like the U-joint's new. Of course, they've painted the center section, the primer collar. I rolled this thing over. It is a posi, and it's about a 389 gear. The frame is in beautiful shape. Take a look at all this. Nice and solid, nice and beautiful. I can actually look up inside the holes here. They must have had this frame dipped, or the whole body dipped, because it looks like bare metal up in there. I don't, you know, there's no corrosion, no rust up in there. I see a part number here. There are a few areas here it look like, you know, at one time there was a little rust there. You know, where they, you know, painted. It's beautiful. I mean, the back sides of the rockers are beautiful. They got brake lines, fuel lines. Everything's gorgeous. Got the parking brake, the speedo, the shifter. Looks like the backup switch is there. Top loader trans. Cast bell housing. Power steering, still got all the little part numbers and stuff on the lines. It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous build. Now we did get the partial VIN up off the head up there. The car is not numbers matching. There's an OH2176 what looks like 600 up here on the back side of the block. They've got the stock exhaust manifolds, the cast iron headers. All the heat shields are up in there. Looks like new ball joints. Front calipers are beautiful. It's a beautiful car underneath. Radius arms, all new bushings, all new nuts and bolts. Nice and clean up here under the front fenders. Inside the shock towers, there's overspray. They've painted the upper control arms, it looks like, with bare metal paint. It's a gorgeous car inside and out. I don't know what else to say. It's one of the nicest Torinos I've ever looked at. Let's look at these wheels and tires. We've got wide oval tires, F60 15s. I peeked up inside all the fenders and everything. It's gorgeous up in there. It looks brand new. It's I can't say enough good things about this car. The only ugly spot I see is one spot right here. Maybe a guy loading it on a trailer or something run into that body brace right there, and there's a little dent in it. That's the worst thing on the whole underside right there, one tiny little dent. Let's look at the rears. Again, the inner wheel houses, all beautiful in there. Let's see, same size tire in the back. Same good looking chrome rim. Bottom of the quarter looks beautiful. They brought the beautiful paintwork right down to the bottom. No corners cut on this project. It's a beautiful car. Well, let's lower it down and take a look under the hood. All right, we're under the hood here. I'll tell you, talk about looking like brand new. Look under here. They've used all the correct hose clamps. See, got the number on the head here. It's a DOOE-R, both heads. I've checked both of them. It's got the little 460 down there stamped on the front. There's an A stamped up right here. It's gorgeous. I just love it. My new favorite car, like I said. Radiator looks brand new. All the hoses, they say Autolite on them, and Autolite on the heater hoses back there. Looks like the evaporation system for the gas tank, that's all intact back in there. Shock towers are all painted up. Hood hinges are all painted up, bare metal paint. Power steering, power brakes. All the wiring looks brand new. I mean, tell you what, she looks like a brand new car to me. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. Here we go in my new favorite car. I love getting new favorite cars. This thing's a blast. Of course, it's a Torino, it's a 71, it's a J code, big motor, 4-speed. Look, no hands on the wheel, Mom. It drives like a brand new car. All the gauges are working, speedo's working. This has got this left to right tack. That is cool as hell. Fuel gauge is working. Temp gauge. I better stop. Gotta look out the windshield every now and then. It's got an AM or FM radio. Once it warms up, it works. Making some noise there. We got windshield wipers working. Ain't that cool? Let's see, what else? The console. Console's cool. All the parts are here, man. You never see all the parts are here. Look at this. Ashtray. All the parts are there. Look at this, even the button that holds the door shut is working. Look at that. Unbelievable. This is a time capsule, guys. J code Torino here. Driving like a dream. So give us a call. Vanguard can ship this baby anywhere in the world. So just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Going around these corners real nice. Give it a little hammer there. It's just a joy to drive. It's like driving a brand new car from 1971. I just love it. What else is, oh yeah, the blower motor. I got a blower motor here working. All the trim and everything inside here looks great. Even the horn's working. The mechanism, the anti-theft, you gotta put the car in reverse to get the key out. That's all that linkage and everything's still there and working good. I mean, it's as comfortable, look, no hands. It's as comfortable as can be to drive. Okay, here we go. Look at that shaker. See the front end come up? Boy, this thing's got some power. And here's our shop right outside the Motor City, 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Take a look at that 5-window Chevy pickup truck right there. Got us a badass Torino. That's a 68 right there. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.